Introducing the stunning 2023 SEAT TARRACO 2.0TDI 150BHP FR Plus DSG 7S in classic white with only 34620 kilometres on the clock. This beauty is packed with features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, ABS, smart card entry, privacy glass, and much more. Not only does this vehicle look great, but it also prioritises safety with features like emergency call, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. You can drive with peace of mind knowing you're in good hands. This SEAT TARRACO has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Give us a call or visit our website blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style and comfort today.